equation that are used to describe the linear motion of an object. The equation that are used to describe the equation that are used to describe the linear motion of an object. The equation that are used to describe a linear motion of an object, which is called the equation of motion. In your previous class, you are described about it. It means that in the class 8, you are read about this term. In your class 8, you are read S, U, V, A and T. Suba. S-U-B-A-T. These terms are frequently used in our equation of motion, where S means the displacement, U means the initial velocity, B means the final velocity, A means the acceleration, T means the time. You are clear? Okay. First, once time write it. S means displacement, U means initial velocity, B means final velocity, A means acceleration, and T means time taken or time. You are clear? S means displacement or distance, U means initial velocity, B means final velocity, A means acceleration, and T means time period. Now we are turns the first equation or first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion? How we write it? First equation of motion. Or relation of S, U, T and B, or relation of S, U, T. Before this, we discuss B, U, A and T. B, U, A and T. We should discuss at first in it. Let us consider one vehicles. It start to move in a straight path. In that case, its initial velocity is U, its final velocity is B, its acceleration is A, and time taken is T. Isn't it? Okay? We have let U is equal to initial, B is equal to final, T is equal to time, A is equal to acceleration. Isn't it? Okay. We know acceleration A is equal to rate of change of velocity. Acceleration A is equal to rate of change of velocity. B minus U upon T. I think that you are already know in this formula. A into T, A multiply T is equal to B minus U. Exchange it, B is equal to U plus AT. This equation is called the first linear equation proved. Hope you are clear, you are understand in this case, isn't it? Now we are turns to the second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Or it may be asked, prove that yours is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. This equation is called the second equation of motion. It is called, in your examination may be asked, prove that yours is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. We have yours is equal to u plus b, yours is equal to u plus b upon 2 multiplied by t. Dear friend, you should remember at first the RH is part of equations. And there is no the velocity, final velocity, so that you can remove the final velocity from this part, isn't it? Okay. Look here, we know B is equal to u plus at from the first equation of motion. Put this value in here, or replace the value of B by u plus at, or u plus at upon 2 multiplied by t, isn't it? Okay. Or two u plus at upon 2 into t, hasn't it? Okay. 2ut plus at square whole divided by 2. Separate this one at first. 2ut divided by 2 plus at square divided by 2. Please cancel the 2 and 2. Yours is equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square, isn't it? Okay. Hence, okay student, we don't to delay, we are turns to the third equation of motion, or prove that third equation of motions, or prove that b square is equal to u square plus twice as. Look here, we need to prove that okay, we know we have yours is equal to u plus b upon 2 multiplied by t. Yours is equal to u plus b upon 2 into t. Look here is no time, so that we should remove the t from this formula. Look here is the b, u and at. By this formula, b minus u is equal to at. T is equal to b minus u upon a, isn't it? Okay. Okay student, look here. U plus b upon 2 into value of t means b minus u upon a. Use these two terms. We know one formula in mathematics, b plus a, b minus, right here, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, isn't it? Look here, u plus b plus u, b minus u. It means that b square minus u square divided by twice a. Is it right? Okay, student. Now, our yours is equal to b square minus u square upon 2a. Please do the cross multiplication. Please do cross multiplication. You know, 2a is equal to b square minus u square. Isn't it? 2a is equal to b square minus u square. Now, b square is equal to 2a is as it is. This is minus here and plus u square. Therefore, b square is equal to u square plus 2a. Proved. Isn't it?